How to fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on Android. Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we are going to find solutions on how to fix this issue. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing you can apply up, the first solution is restarting your phone. So you can long press on your power button and look for the restart option on your screen and tap on it, and it can resolve temporary software glitches or network issues. After that, head over to your device's settings, and from here scroll down and look for software update and ensure your phone software is up to date, as updates often include bugs, fixes, and improvements. After that, you can check the SIM card as well, so head over to your connections and look out for your mobile networks or SIM card manager. And the thing is, you need to have your SIM card, so ensure the SIM card is properly seated in the SIM tray. Remove any kind of dust or debris from the SIM card and the SIM tray. And you can also try a different SIM card to see if the issue lies with the SIM card itself. That should also tell you if that has any kind of issue and help you resolve it. After that, what you can do is you can reset your network settings. So for that, head over to settings again and then go over to the search for network reset, factory reset, similar options, and look for your network reset. So just go ahead and type in network and reset network settings by tapping on reset network settings, and also factory data reset. But remember, before doing that, you need to back up, because if you go ahead and tap on factory reset, it will delete everything of your device. So that is it. For now, you may follow these solutions. If none of those work, you can go ahead and contact your carrier for that, and they should help you with further solutions for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.